Today I'm breaking down exactly how to make the viral sheet pan nachos that slide off the tray so your chips don't end up soggy. Apparently a lot of us are suffering with this problem where when you traditionally bake your chips, they get soggy from the cheese cooking while they're in the oven. So today we're going to do it differently. But this still only takes about 15 minutes. It would be great for game day. I start by cooking up half of a diced onion in a large skillet with about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I stir that around for a couple minutes and add in a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon cumin. That gets a stir for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium, and then it's time to add in a pound of ground beef. Start chopping it up right there in the pan, and it's going to continue to brown for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you want to just keep breaking down the pieces. So now you need a small baking tray and some creamy gourmet nacho cheddar cheese, a 15-ounce can. It sounds crazy, but you just want to get all of that cheese on the tray and then you want to spread it out in a thin layer. It's definitely wise to use a smaller sheet tray at this point because you want it to be thick enough that it does in fact slide out of the pan when it's heated. Then add your cooked ground beef mixture on top of all of that in a thin layer. Then add whatever toppings you like. 1/2 cup diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup black beans, anything you'd like, then add 1 cup of Mexican shredded cheese on top. I like to dice 1 jalapeno and add it on top for a final topping. This bakes in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes until the shredded cheese is completely melted. You want to have a large sheet tray of nacho chips ready to go. And you want to immediately slide the cheese on top. I find that the cheese really does actually come out exactly like you'd expect it to, and as long as you do it right out of the oven, you should be golden. I add about a 1/4 cup of some sour cream on top. You could also add some guacamole, and I like to add a little cilantro or diced green onion. I hope you try this viral nachos recipe. It's really fun. You can get the printable directions for all my recipes here at sipbitego.com. Don't forget to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list if you love easy recipes. Delicious.